If you want to uninstall GOG from your Windows PC, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're trying to free up space, fix an issue, or simply no longer use GOG Galaxy, the uninstall process is quick and easy once you know where to look. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials like this. First, make sure GOG Galaxy is completely closed. This is important because if the app is still running in the background, Windows may not let you remove it properly. So check your system tray near the clock, right-click the GOG Galaxy icon if you see it, and fully exit the program. Next, press Windows and R on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Run dialog box, which is a fast way to access built-in Windows tools. In the Run box, type appwiz.cpl and then press Enter. This command opens the classic Programs and Features window, where you can uninstall installed desktop applications. Once the list appears, look through your installed programs until you find GOG Galaxy. You can scroll manually if needed, or just keep an eye out for the name in the list. After you find it, click once to select it, then click the Uninstall button at the top of the list, or right-click the program and choose Uninstall if that option appears. Windows will now launch the Uninstall wizard for GOG Galaxy. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. In most cases, you'll just need to confirm that you want to remove the program and then wait for the process to finish. Depending on your version and system, it may take a few moments for all of the files and components to be removed. When the uninstall process is complete, you may be prompted to restart your computer. If so, go ahead and restart to make sure all remaining background components are cleared out properly. After that, GOG Galaxy should be fully removed from your Windows system. And that's it. You've now uninstalled GOG Galaxy from your PC. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.